So I'm gonna begin now taking the natural look and going into a more glam look. All right, so I'm going to take the Master Pigment Pro pencil in the Perfect Brown. I'm gonna go right along the outer lash line. I'm gonna go thicker with the line this time, and I'm going to bring it upward, flipping the pencil over and just blending out that outer corner. I'm also going to take the pencil now and just go right into her crease. This is a really easy, fast way to get impact if you want some color on your crease. I'm going to take the E5 brush and just blend that in. The Perfect Brown shade of the Master Pro Pigment pencil on the outer corner. I'm taking it up higher this time, up and out, blending it with the other side of the pencil, and draw a very fast crease with the pencil. And then taking my E5 brush and just blending that pencil into a crease. I'm going to take shade number 8 with the E3, and I'm just adding a little bit more now over that crease that I created with the pencil, just to deepen. Taking brown pencil again, the Perfect Brown. I'm gonna go along the inner rim of the eye with the Master Matte shade number 9. I'm just intensifying the smokiness on the lower lash line. Also, when you are going for a more glam look or more dramatic look, don't be afraid to smoke the product down a little bit low. The lower that you go, sort of the more sultry and sexy the look gets. I know it feels strange sometimes when you're doing your own makeup to go so low, because we normally spend time putting concealer in that area to brighten, but totally okay to bring it down. I'm taking just a tiny bit of the medium Master Prep and Set, the translucent powder. This is just gonna diffuse those edges. She said she likes sparkle, a little bit of sparkle, so I'm gonna pump up the sparkle on the inner corner just a little bit. So I'm using the E5 again. It's a great shape to go right into that little area. Well, that's it. That's our glam look on Jasmine. I'm using pretty much the same products I used earlier, but I bumped it up and I used some deeper tones and more eyeliner. So you can see how easy it is to sort of get different types of looks with these products. Hey everyone, so I'm here with Michelle again. So I'm taking shade number 2 in the Master Metallics, and I'm just applying it all over the eyelid using my E3 brush. Now, because E3 is a larger, fluffier brush, when you use it with metallics, it's not going to put a lot of pigment on, but I just wanted to do that to get an all-over wash of color. I'm gonna have her open her eyes, and I'm gonna gauge how intense it is or how much more I should go. And then from there, I will use a more dense brush to intensify certain areas. All of these colors are colors that are inside of our bodies. Most of our insides are in that range. There's lots of pinks and reds. Now I'm gonna use my most dense brush, which is the E4. I'm gonna go back into shade number 2 in the Master Metallics. Just to create now a little bit of depth and contour on the eyes, I'm gonna go in with a shade that's a little bit deeper, shade number 9. I'm taking the Master Pigment Pro pencil in Super Black. I'm gonna go from corner to corner. I'm gonna now trace over that with the Master Matte's liquid liner in Super Black. This is gonna make the line super black, and it's going to make it super matte as well. That pretty much completes our glam look on Michelle. Hey everyone, so I'm back with Fatuma. So we're gonna go with like a more glam 90s look. So that look is more matte on the eyes. So I'm gonna start with black liner. I'm basically gonna be tracing over the brown liner that we did earlier. And since we're doing that 90s matte look, I'm gonna just intensify the lightness in the eye. So I'm gonna go with shade number 2. Take a step back and gauge how much more we should add for the glam, how much more she can handle. I think she can handle more for glam. So I'm gonna go in now with shade number 2 again. And I'm going to just pop that brow bone highlight further. So in the 90s, it was quite common to go in the inner rim of the eyes with a light and brightening shade. So I'm going to take the Matte's brightening pencil and just apply a little bit. All right, so I am taking the Master Matte's liquid liner in Super Black, and I'm just tracing over the line that we already did. When you're manifesting as you're doing it, and you feel in your gut that you're about to mess up, remove your hand because you're gonna mess up. I think we're pretty close to done with the glam look. I'm going to put some lashes and mascara on off camera. I'll come back and show you guys the finished look.
Oh my gosh.
It's a good look on you. Hey everyone, so we're back. We just did some lashes on Fatuma, and this pretty much sums up our glam look. I hope you love it as much as we do. She's really feeling herself.